Welcome back to What You Need to Know Now or Later. This is my favorite new show that I created because I get to cover so many different topics. On today's episode, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be talking about shoes. I finally picked up a pair of the Adidas NMD Human Race, and I did a lot of research on this one. I have some pretty exciting findings to share with you. So I'm going to do that because this show, it's about taking that deep dive. But before I share that deep dive, let's just talk about this shoe because it's really beautiful and I'm glad that I finally got a pair. This shoe is unlike any other shoe I have, from the way it's laced, to the general shape, to how vibrant it is. It's got a lot going on and all of it interesting. The upper is prime knit and part of it has this colorful, fun, almost sweater-like pattern to it. Then the other part is white, and it's got some type on it. Each shoe is different, and from my understanding, they come together to mean forever forward. Where your foot enters the shoe, there's even more colors. You've got some bright laces, and the lace tips, they have a little design on them too. If the orange is a little bit too much for you, there are extra laces. The laces are all bunched up by the ankle area, and they're attached with these rubbery, fence-like pieces. On the backside, you've got some 3M. It's got full-length boost, and then these colorful blocks to add some support. Let's get to the bottom because down there it gets pretty exciting. It's got a chunky tread. There are even cool details on the inside. Now this shoe looks good in my hands, that's for certain, but I've got good news. It also looks good on foot. So there you have it, a beautiful pair of shoes. Now let's take that deeper dive together. I'm ready to share some pretty exciting information that I found out while researching them. It's pronounced Pharrell.